The Mi-24P helicopter, also known as the Hind by NATO, is one of the iconic attack helicopters that has served various countries around the world. This helicopter has a long history and has proven to be an effective and versatile military platform. The Mi-24P helicopter was developed by the Military Design Bureau OKB MIL in the Soviet Union in the early 1960s, first unveiled in 1972. The helicopter was designed to combine troop and equipment transport capabilities with direct attack capabilities. The Mi-24P is an attack variant of the Mi-20 helicopter family. Engine, speed, and range using to Isotov TV3117 van turboshaft engines, engine power 2 by 2,200 horsepower. Maximum speed at 335 km per hour, cruising speed at 310 km per hour. Maximum mileage for 150 km. Mileage with additional tanks 1,100 km. Design and structure. The Mi-24P has a unique design with a front cockpit for the pilot and co-pilot, as well as a rear compartment for transporting cargo and a passenger capacity of 8 soldiers. Dimensions and weight. Length 17.5 meters, height 6.5 meters. Width rotor 21.3 meters. Empty weight 8,500 kg. Maximum weight 12,000 kg. Attackability. One of the main features of the Mi-24P is its capability as an attack helicopter, equipped with weapons such as heavy caliber cannons, rockets, and anti-tank missiles. This helicopter can deal with threats from the air and land. Its ability to carry heavy weapons makes it effective in responding to a variety of battlefield situations. Weapon: GSH to 3L 23mm caliber cannon, rockets and missiles, anti-tank missiles, anti-aircraft missiles and bombs. Latest technology and upgrades. As time went by, various countries that used the Mi-24P upgraded it to improve its performance. Upgrades involve adding advanced navigation systems, radar technology, and more modern weapons. This ensures that helicopters remain relevant in the face of ever-evolving military challenges. Electronics and avionics and protection systems. Radar target acquisition and designation system TADS, inertial navigation system INS. Night vision system night vision, communication and radio systems. Protective systems for crew and vital equipment, protective steel plates on certain parts. Roles in actual conflict. The Mi-24P has been involved in conflicts around the world, including in Afghanistan, Africa, and the Middle East. Its success in providing direct attack support and transportation functions has made it chosen by many countries to face national security challenges. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next interesting content. See you in the next video.